So I'm recording this video because I ran into a problem that the toilet was running and flush every other few minutes automatically. And this is a one-piece toilet, but it doesn't matter. So what we did is we replaced the flapper first, and we were hoping that the leak is gonna stop, which it didn't. And then there is a piece of the washer or plastic washer under this piece here, which we switched that to, but it didn't help the problem. So water was still running, and finally somebody told us that the problem is completely different things, and what was the reason that the toilet was running was that this piece, which is a hose coming here and it's a water supply, was going all the way down to here. So, and this should be maybe just about right here above the water level. So we cut that piece of the tube and the problem was solved, and I think that's something that might help.